We got a 2007 Honda S2000. It does have the OEM hardtop. Overall, very clean car. 89,000 miles. It does have minor imperfections like you'd expect for a 17-year-old 90,000 mile car, but overall very clean. I did have a PDR guy go through it, pull PDR dents and dings. Little scrape right to the bottom, you know, just where you'd expect. Interior, red on black, no tears. Really clean, minimal wear. Wheels all in good shape. Engine, bone stock, the whole car's stock. The VIN numbers are all there. There's no rust underneath at all. Very clean. Just do a quick startup. It's cold start. 2 keys. Shut the radio off for copyright. It's cold start. Radio does work. Cold AC. Overall, very nice car. No leaks, no issues. Ready for a new owner. It could use some tires eventually in the back, but otherwise, it is a really nice car.